Okay, fine. You have been calling me for 3 hours, as I told you. Whenever since or for is given, you have to use perfect continuous tense. Been will be there and ing will be there, right? Since and for, remember one thing, been should be there and ing. Now the next one, the baby dash since morning, again since word is there. So again, Gautam, yes, beta, what is your answer? Number 4. Since for. Yes, the baby has been crying since morning. So you have to remember this thing, whenever for or since is given, then you have to use been ing. Next one. Yes. I came back. Came beta which tense? Think about it. Yes, Nishtha? Himang, 1 minute. Last question beta.
He dashed online class when he came back. He was attending.
Well done. Came is your second form of verb. This is past tense. And we are talking about one special time. When I came back, at that time, what she was doing? She was attending online class. So, underline this word when. When means you have to use past continuous tense. Okay? I hope they are clear. Now, let's revise. Special time future will be, shall be, ing. Next year, we don't know on which day, at which time. So, simple future tense. Since, for, has been, have been, ing. Okay? And the last one, when, past continuous. I hope it's clear now. Now, I'm moving to the second topic. Our second topic is infinitive. What is infinitive? Offline students. What is infinitive? Tell me rule only. What is infinitive? Adnan.
Ma'am,
Yes, Adnan. Infinitive.
ma'am, two plus verb.
Which verb? First, second, or third?
First.
Yes. With the two, you have to use V1 always. Not in case of infinitive, otherwise also when you write paragraph or anything, remember after two you have to use V1. So many students in visit to amusement park, they wrote, we went to saw animals. That is not right. We went to see animals. 2 plus first form. Okay. Obviously, in test or in exam, they will not give you this thing. So remember, infinitive means 2 plus first form. Now note down the questions, please. Wait, wait, wait. I want to mute all. Just no one beta joined है. Sana first answer beta. Sana.
He is trying to write neatly.
Sana, can you repeat beta? There's some network issue from your side. To write बोला है? Okay. So, okay, fine. He's trying to write neatly, sorry. Next is Arav. Arav, if you can hear me, please tell me second answer.
He is trying to write neatly.
Okay, Sana.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, got it, beta. Correct answer. Arav.
मैम मैम हिम के आगे विद भी आएगा या फिर ऐसे ही?
No, beta, with नहीं है him के साथ. You have to choose the verb accordingly.
मैम आई डोंट नो.
No? Okay. Wait, beta, wait. Please give me 1 minute. I'm giving chance to Agampreet Singh, then Gautam. Yes, Agam.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta, second answer.
He requested me to pick him.
To pick him, okay. To drop him, any other? To
To
help?
help him.
Okay, fine. Okay, next one. Adnan got turn, Harshika got turn. Raman. No, Arav. Arav, I gave you turn, beta. So Raman is there. Raman. Okay, Kansh. After that, Raman. Yes,
Ma'am,
Kansh, next answer.
ma'am, he helped an old man to cross the road.
Well done. Yes. Okay, Agampreet, then Saksham Mani. Yes, Agampreet.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes. Good morning, bache.
Ma'am, fourth.
Number 4 and Saksham Mani number 5. Slow, number 5 bata. Yes, Agampreet, number 4.
No, ma'am, no one likes to play with him.
Okay, correct.
Ma'am, my friend wants to eat pizza.
ये याद रखना बेटा, infinitive means 2 plus first form. So many students know the answer but they don't know what is infinitive. ठीक है?
Mom, to play with him.
Okay, बेटा. 2. To eat with him. Okay, correct. Okay, third one is gerund. What is gerund? Who will tell me? Yes, rule. And yes, beta. Okay, well done. So our third question is gerund. Gerund means gerund subject object. No. I know, but no, it will not come. Gerund means V1 ing, so I'm writing something, you have to fill in the blank. Yes, beta? कुछ नहीं होगा. Okay. Raman, unmute yourself. Raman. First answer.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. First answer.
Ma'am, smoking.
Smoking is injurious to health. Okay. Drinking, I told you earlier also, drinking is not a bad habit. Drinking water भी हो सकता है. Either you have to write, या तो आप लिखो drinking alcohol. So don't write drinking alone. In Punjab and in India, drinking को हमेशा दूसरा ही मानते हैं, but drinking water भी होता है, right? So drinking alcohol will be correct answer. Okay, Arav, now try beta. Second one.
Ma'am, drawing is one of my hobbies.
Okay, drawing, painting, singing, anything beta you can write. Himang, what did you say? Okay. Yes, please. Dash is a good exercise. Yoga, where is ing? Gerund is ing. Cycling. Don't write yoga, beta. Cycling, laughing. Laughing is a good exercise. Yes. Laughing से एक तो हमारी मेंटल हेल्थ ठीक रहती है. सेकेंडली हमारे मसल्स जब हम हंसते हैं तो हमारे फेशियल मसल्स की एक्सरसाइज होती है. यस बेटा. वेल डन. ओके. भूमिका नंबर 4 बेटा.
I enjoy dash with my mother. I enjoy food with my mother.
I enjoy food.
No, ma'am.
बेटा जेरेंट का रूल क्या होता है? प्लीज टेल मी.
Ma'am, painting.
भूमिका प्लीज रिपीट द रूल ऑफ जेरेंट बेटा.
Ma'am, first form of the verb plus ing.
यस. एंड फूड में ing तो मेरे को दिखा नहीं बेटा.
Ma'am, painting.
Cooking, sitting, playing also, yes, ing.
Ma'am, painting नहीं ठीक.
Anything beta ing, it's correct. Yes, Himang, last one. Yes, visiting, going, but don't write eating, okay, because 2 word is there. Cycling. अगर आप अपने मदर के साथ साइकिलिंग करते हो तो why not? So we have done 3 topics today: tenses, 5 questions, infinitives, gerunds. I hope it's clear now. Tomorrow also we'll be doing 5 more sentences of tenses and then next two topics. How much time is left? Let me see. Okay, 10 minutes are still left. So you can raise your hands if you have any doubt. Otherwise, I'll just make you revise something else. First of all, please lower your hands if you are not having any question. Quiz किस चीज का? Randomly मतलब किसी चीज का भी. Okay, I'll try. Let me lower hands, then in case of doubt you can raise it. Anyone, if you have doubt, you can ask. Then I'll give you some do as directed mixed grammar. I'll give you. Okay? Yes, Ikansh?
Ma'am, page 14. Uh, ma'am, fifth question.
Speak up the sentence with us. Speak up the sentence.
Stand on the bench.
This is preposition. Acha, subject predicate.
Ma'am, no. Yes, ma'am.
Subject. कवन अभी ये पढ़ा हुआ है, बेटा ले लेना. Stand on the bench. Which is the subject? Who will tell me? I told you whenever sentence starts from first form of verb, stand on the bench, then what will be your subject? Stand on the bench is your predicate and you is the subject. You लिखा नहीं है पर इसका you subject होगा. Whenever first form is given in the beginning, then you have to write you is the subject. Okay, Ikansh? Yes, you have to write you. Subject is equal to you. Checked वाले? ये पढ़े हुए भी देखो. Yes, Nishtha?
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Good morning. Please speak loudly, Nishtha. I'm not able to hear you properly.
मैम
Yes.
मैम जो इंफिनिटिव आपने भी करवाए हैं मैम उसके अंदर एक है शी रिक्वेस्टेड मी डैश हिम मैम टू पुश हिम भी आ सकता है.
Okay, to push him. Okay, fine. If you are playing game, हो सकता है किसी ने आपको request किया कि push करो. Yes, yes, it's possible, beta. Next is
तो आपने फोर्थ वाली नो वन लाइक डैश विद हिम मैम स्टे विद हिम आ सकता है टू स्टे विद हिम.
yes, yes, beta. 2 plus first form, anything can come. It should make sense. Otherwise, 2 plus first form is correct. Yes, Raman. Raman. Okay,
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Raman.
मैम टेस्ट में ग्रामर ही आएगी.
Only grammar, beta. Only grammar. And
मैम
अगर आपको
टीचमेंट ऐप पे आएगा.
yes, with a teachment app, and you have to solve one teachment app only. This is the MCQ test today, and there will
Okay,
be
ma'am.
there will be 2 pages. ध्यान से दोनों पेज करना. After submission, don't tell me that कि मेरा second page नहीं हुआ. I won't give you marks. Okay, everyone. There will be 2 pages of MCQ test. You have to solve both. And after that, please don't send me on WhatsApp that we just missed this thing or that thing. I won't check it. Okay. Ekansh, you can ask. Yes. 20 MCQs will be.
Ma'am, I have. Ma'am, page 80, D part, third question.
Again, speak up, beta. I don't have book right now.
The tickets are as good as dash. Ma'am, pronouns हैं.
The tickets are as good as ये pronoun.
Dash. Ma'am, yes. Fill in the blanks with suitable pronoun.
The tickets are as good as. Then fill any personal pronoun, beta, but it is not making any sense. Kavan, this is your grammar book. Okay. Tell me page number, Ekansh, again.
Ma'am, page number 80.
Better than fill any personal pronoun, him, her, like that. It is not making any sense. Tickets are actually ये simile का question होना चाहिए था, but they gave in pronoun maybe. So you can write any personal pronoun, him, her, or anything. नहीं नहीं और कहाँ होना ground में? We have 4 minutes. I'll give you mixed 4 sentences. जल्दी से करना. 1 second, don't note down. Okay, beta. First is kind of adverb. Come here. Here is which kind of adverb? Speak up loudly, all. Because it is giving answer of where. You should come where? Here. So this is adverb of place. Yes, अगर आपको पिक करके ना आएगा adverb, you have to pick yourself. ठीक है? Punctuate. Yes, बेटा. Yes. S should be capital. Here apostrophe. Last में full stop. अच्छा इसका क्या आएगा बेटा? I am writing here. Charles' friend is absent. Charles is the name. इसको कैसे पंचुएट करोगे? Charles' friend. Charles का friend absent है. चलो एक फुल स्टॉप आना है और बताओ. Apostrophe कहाँ पे? यहाँ पे या यहाँ पे? Whenever S is there, you have to write apostrophe outside. Charles' friend is absent. So S वाला अगर कोई भी word आए, तो you have to write apostrophe outside. कुछ नहीं बेटा ऐसे Charles' friend is absent. Next, pick out helping verb and main verb. We have just 1 minute left. Gate number 4. Can write. Write is your main verb. And this is your helping verb. And in exam, अगर आपने ऐसे HM लिखा तो I will cross it. You have to write full thing. Helping verb is can. Main verb is write. गौतम second में जल्दी से बताओ. Helping verb, main verb. Quickly. We have 1 minute. And main verb कौन सा है? गौतम main verb कहाँ पे बेटा? Whenever you find that कि हमारे पास single verb पड़ा है, तो it is always a main verb. This is pronoun. My best friend, no verb is here, only one verb is here, then it is always a main verb. Without main verb, you cannot construct a sentence. Main verb is must. Okay? Now, our time is up now, beta. Please note down it. Now get ready for test, offline students. I'll meet you tomorrow and we'll do something else like this. Okay, beta. Take care. Yes, yes, Manila.